Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Elena and we will work on the FreeCodeCamp built-in extractor workshop. I will explain the idea, write the code and show the results. Let's dive in. The goal is write a function that reads through the text, a poem or any string, and return only numeric characters, a secret pin. Step number 1, let's start by creating function pin extractor and pass one parameter poem. Step 2, initialize an empty string secret code to accumulate digits. Step 3, we need to create poem variable and pass the string that is contained in a code example box to test our function. Here we are using multi-string syntaxes and calling our function with poem variable. Step 4, create variable lines. Use a split method with backslash and character. Step 5, for line in lines, print line. Step 6, we will apply the same logic for words. We will split a line into words and print it. Step 7, we need to modify for line in lines loop. Instead of lines, put enumerate lines, add line index and print line index, comma line. Step 8, modify last print function, print words with index line index. Step 9, wrap everything what is in the last print function into the len function. Step 10, modify last print function again, convert everything to the string. Step 11, concatenate to secret code everything that used to be in the last print function. Step 12, remove two print codes and return secret code. Step 13, pass the pin extractor to the print function to see the result. Step 14, add if block. If len words more than line index, concatenate secret code. Step 15, add else clause that concatenate secret code to 0. Step 16, copy-paste poem 2, poem 3 and comment a print statement with pin extractor. Step 17, create for loop for poem and poems for all the content of the function. Step 18, create secret codes list and instead of return statement write secret codes append secret code. Step 19, return secret codes and uncomment print statement and put as a parameter array poem, poem 2, poem 3. If you like this video, don't forget to put like, subscribe. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.